For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The reopening of Disneyland has been delayed due to the growing number of coronavirus cases in the United States. Disney announced the decision to postpone reopening of Disneyland on Wednesday. The phased reopening of Disneyland and Disney California Adventure now stand delayed due to spike in COVID-19 cases. Disney had earlier announced its plan to reopen Disneyland at Anaheim in California on July 17. However, Disney did not mention about the new date for reopening. Disneyland is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Disneyland Amusement Park in Anaheim was created in 1955 by Hollywood filmmaker Walt Disney. The decision to postpone the reopening was taken following tough guidelines in the state of California to contain COVID-19. The California state authorities have not issued reopening guidelines for Disneyland. Disney said it would be difficult to bring thousands of staff back to work and restart business in required time. Disney further added that approval from the government is required to plan the reopening of its theme parks, hotels, and resorts. COVID-19 cases continue to witness a surge in the United States, and California is one of the worst affected states. California state reported more than 7,140 coronavirus cases on Wednesday. According to Johns Hopkins University website, the US reported over 2.38 million COVID-19 cases and more than 121,900 deaths. Disney will have to hold talks with its unions before reopening the theme parks. The company said it has already signed agreements with over 20 union affiliates. Disney said it will announce the date of reopening once the authorities release the clear guidelines. However, Disney's flagship resort at Orlando in Florida would be reopened next month as per its earlier plan. Disney had planned to reopen in California on July 17th after closing the gates for nearly 3 months due to lockdown. The reopening Disney's theme park in California was to coincide with the opening of Disneyland Park 65 years ago on July 17, 1955. Disneyland said the capacity in the theme park would be limited significantly in order to abide by the government's guidelines. The guests, including annual pass holders, would be allowed through a new theme park reservation system. The company said reservations would be subject to the availability of limited seats. The company said it has temporarily stopped the sale of tickets, annual pass holder sales, and renewals due to fresh guidelines. Disney had prepared for the reopening by taking all the health and safety measures outlined by the government to contain the spread of the virus. The company said patrons would be allowed only after checking body temperature. Disney added that physical distancing would be strictly maintained and facial masks are a must for everyone.